Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin. The IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop is ideal for on-the-go work, school, or entertainment. Powered by up to Intel Core i5-13420H processor. This 15.6 inches device boasts speedy responsiveness for all your apps, so you can multitask to your heart's content. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, IPS 300 nits anti-glare display. Graphics integrated Intel UHD Graphics. Storage 512GB SSD NVMe. Memory 16GB LPDDR5. Keyboard backlit, English, EU. Camera, FHD 1080p with privacy shutter. Touch-style fingerprint reader. Battery integrated 47 watt-hours.